This is Roar to Success, episode number 12. For number 1, it says enter the sum of. So you have two mixed numbers. You have 4 and 3/5 plus 2 and 1/2. So let's add up the whole numbers first. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Let's put that to the side. Now let's work on the fraction by itself. There's 3/5 plus 1/2. We need to find a common denominator. 5 and 2 both share the number 10, because 5 times 2 gives us 10. And then we have to do the same thing for the numerator. That will give us 6/10. And on the other side, we really know that 1/2 is really 5/10, because it's going to be 1 times 5 and 2 times 5. So we have 6/10 plus 5/10, and that will give us 11/10. And 11/10 is really one whole, because 10 can go into 11 ones, with 1 left. And remember, we have the 6 up there, so now our final answer is 7 wholes, because the 6 plus the 1 right here makes us 7. And it'll be 7 and 1/10 is our final answer for number 1. For number 2, it says enter the difference of this. So what you can do here, for this one we can't just do the whole numbers first. We'll do 6 and 1/3 minus 2 and 3/4. We need to get a common denominator of 12 and 12. And then this will be times 4 and times 4. So we know that 1/3 is the same thing as 4/12. And for the bottom fraction, it will be 9/12. Now we can't really do 4/12 minus 9/12 because you don't have enough. So what we need to do is go to the 6, it becomes a 5, and that 1 that you're taking comes over here and becomes 12/12, which is really one whole. And that way you get 16/12. Now 16/12 minus the 9/12 down there is 7/12. And then now it's not 6 minus 2, now it's 5 minus 2, which is 3 and 7/12. For number 3, it says write an equivalent fraction for. So 5/6 and 1/4. There are two equivalent fractions going to be 12s and 12s. This will be 6 times 2 and 5 times 2, which is 10. This one's 4 times 3 and 1 times 3, which is 3/12. So those are the two equivalent fractions. 5/6 is equivalent to 10/12, and 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. And that's the end of episode number 12.